Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Bank of America PIN. Guys, it's actually really easy and simple. If you want to change the PIN on your credit or debit card, all you have to do, there are actually two ways, guys. So, one way is you visit the nearest Bank of America ATM and you're going to be selected with we're going to be prompted with the different options. What you want to do is click on more options, okay? Click on more options and then you can easily just change your PIN number after you insert your card there. Or you can change your PIN number. Also, you can just schedule an appointment, okay? Or you can just visit one of the branches. Just schedule an appointment. You can either call on this number here, 800.432.1000. And these are the timings, guys. And they're not available on holidays, okay? They'll just mail you a reminder. This is that easy and simple, guys, literally. And I'll put the link to this website here, and you can just come here and click find an ATM or financial center that is near you. You just have to input your postal code, and it's gonna work like that. It's gonna show the nearest branches or ATM sent near you.